Hi, my name is Geritt and I'm the Managing Director of SCANTECH Germany. And here at SCANTECH Germany, some big changes are going to happen. SCANTECH Germany was founded in 2018 and at that time we were 3 people as founders. Today we are 13 people and mainly we are doing manufacturing of systems, doing service, support and maintenance. Due to our rapid growth in the last years, we decided 2 years ago to construct a new building. This will give us the chance to recruit more people and to follow our growth in the next years.
At the moment we rent 1 office building and also 3 workshops at different locations. That means all my colleagues have all their offices also on the different locations. Therefore we are limited in our social interaction and with the workflow as well. The new building will help us to solve these issues.
It is a huge change for us as we have then a much bigger showroom and we are able to shorten our delivery times. We are all looking forward to move to the new building and see the result.